where the best local food are hidden. So right is to add pepper, eating both the fat and the noodles together. The street here is very famous for that. You will reach this place which is famous for Michelin food, but this is the exotic one, the head of the pigeon. Hello guys, welcome back to Jay's Journey. Today we are on the streets of Hong Kong, China. It's a special zone that is in China that is being opened up to the public world. Even though it's well known to be a financial hub, but it also has lots of hidden food that's inside that tastes awesome. Don't let all this building and the streets fool you. They might look old, but these are the place where the best local food are hidden. At the first stop here is a local noodle shop. We have ordered. It's a legendary place that all the locals will definitely come here for their lunch. Alright, the food is served. We have ordered some pig trotters egg noodles with crispy fried wontons. So the first thing of the ritual to eat soup, right, is to add pepper, a thin dash of vinegar, mix it up, and let's dig in. The pepper is actually inside those can of tins. It's so cool and you don't see it nowadays, right? After trying the soup, next up is this noodle. It's being dipped inside the broth to absorb all the strong aroma, and it looks so tasty. Look at this pork trotters. It's cooked to unbelievably soft. You just need a single pull and tuck, and the bones just fell off. Look at how fatty is this, all the fats here. But do you know a better way to eat this? It is to go with the noodles. By eating both the fat and the noodles together, you can be sure that the greasiness will not overtake your tongue. Now for the fried wonton. It's crispy on the outside, a satisfying crunch, but there's a wasabi-based dipping sauce which gives off a really nice kick. You know, those kind of stinging in your nose? That's exactly the taste of it. I would say that this dish here is really a signature of Hong Kong. Let's do a classic way of eating the wonton by dipping it into the soup for a complete different texture. The crispy is there, but it will turn much softer and it's still flavorful. Not to mention it will soak up all the broth and infuse the taste inside. Of course, you can mix it up like me to go with the noodles for a great bite. Okay, we have a great meal. Let's continue our exploration in Hong Kong. The streets here is very famous for their dense city outlay. And everywhere you can see there are certain places that are in repairing because all these buildings are really old. These streets has been around for over like maybe 100 years, since 1950s. Of course, the city is constantly being modernized, but lots of these places, right, are still being preserved by the government. At here, you will totally see the culture mix of the East and the West. After turning into a dark alley, you will reach this place which is famous for Michelin food. This shop is called Sang Kee. And look at all these awards they had. All these Michelin awards, all these certificates definitely will let you feel right this is the correct place to go. So let's see if the food here live up to expectation. We will try their fried roast pigeon first. It's crispy on the outlook. You can just dip it with some sauce, some salt. But this is the exotic one, the head of the pigeon. Do you dare to eat this? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Then we will have our veggies, some leaves, some greens, and this is an eggplant. All these I would say are still quite okay, but the next one is one of the local special. It's a local egg dish. It's cooked to feel like a fluffy spongy cake. It's completely savory, mind-blowing technique I would say. I really love this dish a lot. And this is actually their signature dish here. Look at all these ingredients they have stuffed into the egg. No wonder it tastes so good. Lastly, we will end it with some scallops, and that's the end of the meal. To end the day, I'm walking out to enjoy one of the most iconic Hong Kong harbour views. The sea breeze, skyline, cities are all amazing. The vibe is awesome. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more vibes, adventures in China.